what I got. So this unit was sent to me by Luvmehair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit. It is a fabulous Beyonce celebrity style. So, and that's what I got, even though I didn't remember that the wig said that that was the feel that I got from this unit. It feels like Beyonce. This wig comes in 10 to 22 inches. So you can get this wig in whatever inches that you guys see on the screen that I have it in, which I would say is maybe 20 to 22 inches or so. There's no shedding, there's no tangling, and it fits really, really good. Now, I am wearing a medium cap size. I do typically wear a medium cap size. So obviously, y'all, I do like this wig. I think it is really, really nice. I think it is just a gorgeous wig. The coloring, everything that they did with this wig, I feel like is phenomenal. Like, honey, your girl, okay, so I'm on this diet plan, honey, and this is gonna be my vacay wig, okay? This is gonna be my vacay wig. Like, I feel like it gives you that good spring just feel. Like, it's really, really just a nice overall wig. And just imagine, honey, getting this in like 10 inches. I mean, like in like an everyday length, like something like that. I feel like this is a wig that will look good in any inch. Like, it doesn't matter what inch you get it in, it's still gonna be bomb, okay? Like, it's just one of those wigs. So yeah, that's how I feel. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.